The modern world is a wonderful place. Technology offers unlimited options for lifestyle choices, yet so many people stay in jobs they hate, live lives that don't satisfy, and are stuck in a place they don't even really like. Many people now feel a sense of quiet desperation. They know that there's probably something better out there, that life could be different and more exciting, but they don't know what to do about it, or they simply lack the courage or motivation to take the first step. There really is a wealth of opportunity and possibility out there, made available by better and cheaper travel options, greater access to information, and the ability to create an income no matter where you are in the world. A new breed of traveller is emerging, one who takes advantage of all the world has to offer. These people tend to call themselves digital nomads, global citizens, world wanderers, location independent, or other similar names. Vanessa and I are members of this unofficial group. We tend to refer to ourselves as global nomads. In 2014, I sold my property in Panama and Vanessa sold her house in the UK. Since then, without any ties, we've lived a lifestyle of amazing freedom. We've spent 6 months travelling the southwestern United States in an RV. We lived for a while in China, developing our teaching skills. We travelled for a month in Cuba. And of course, we've spent time house sitting in a variety of countries, staying in some locations for 2 or 3 months at a time. We've looked after homes and pets in Australia, Fiji, the UK, Mexico, Panama, Nicaragua, Botswana, and Barbados. House sitting is a major part of how we live our life. For us, it facilitates our life of global freedom. Without crippling mortgages or car loans to weigh us down, we only have a few major expenses. Our main outgoings are food and travel costs, along with occasional extras such as cell phone top-up or a rental car from time to time. By using house sitting as our long-term accommodation, we keep living costs down to a bare minimum. We have to get from one place to the next, of course, so flights are probably our biggest expense. But once settled in a new location, our expenses are low and we've learned to live creatively on a much smaller budget than when we were both in full-time jobs. Our experiences is that we are now freer, more fulfilled and more in control of our own happiness than ever before. We're not wealthy. We couldn't even really be considered rich by any modern world standards, but we live a life filled with adventure and quality life experiences. We work only part-time when we do work for other people, and we try to make most of our income online. When all is said and done, life is about choices. The life you are living now is a result of all the choices you've made in the past. If you're not happy with your current lifestyle, well, you just need to make some different choices. Think about this. The life you will live in the future will be a result of the choices you make today. If you wish to live an interesting and fulfilling lifestyle as a global wanderer, house sitting could be just the answer you've been looking for. In the next video, we'll take a look at how you can create your own roaming income and also introduce you to the Roaming Income Club,